Hey faves, welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be collaborating with Toyo Tresses with these crochet T30 faux locks. Now Apex come along with your purchase so that you can have a full head of hair, and the curls are human hair. So the lock is basically handmade and then the curls are human hair. So you'll have luscious curls that you can take care of by just adding some water or mousse. But right now we're just gonna do the braid down. I think I ended up doing about 14 braids, I want to say. You can really get away with just doing about 12. My hair has been getting super thick by doing these protective hairstyles. I just been really just doing crochet and just minimal leave out with stuff. I haven't put any heat on my hair. So before you want to get started, you want to make sure that you oil your scalp and take out any edges that you want to do once the hairstyle is complete. Now for me, I still like a little bit of baby hair, so this is me just combing it out just so that when I start the style, I don't have to go searching for them. Now this is how the lock is constructed. You have a hole at the top, then you have one or two pieces of boho hair, and then one at the bottom. So I needed my hole to be a little bit bigger, so you want to just make sure you pull it open a little bit more just so you can pull that lock through before you get started with each one. So I'm putting the crochet needle down into my hair, pulling the loop through, then putting the crochet needle through the loop, putting the end of the faux lock on my crochet needle, and then pulling it through the hole. And then I'm just gonna pull that all the way through and then make sure that it is secure on my root. And after that, you are all done. This literally took no time. That's why this video is a little bit fast, just because it is so super easy to install these locks. Now I'm gonna do it a few more times just so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. But honestly, it's so self-explanatory. You just want to make sure that you put the crochet needle in. And oh, luckily also the crochet needle will be in your package when you do order your crochet hair. So this is super beginner friendly. It's super easy. All you need to do is get a really good braid down, and then the rest is just super easy. You can just do it yourself from home, and you don't really even need a mirror to see the back of your head or anything, just so that you are filling in all the gaps and making sure that you feel your way through. You'll be fine. But this was so super easy to do, like it's self-explanatory. But crocheting is just the easiest thing, and it's such a good protective hairstyle. Now the color on this is what I want to say was my favorite part. T30. Now I usually just do a 1B, but the brown on this was just so pretty on my skin tone. I absolutely love it. You want to make sure that you definitely wet your hair just to activate it a little bit, and then you want to put a little bit of mousse as well. I didn't get that on camera, but yeah, you can add any curling mousse that you have just to hydrate the curls and make sure that they come to life. Now let me do a couple hairstyles so you guys can see. You can wear it like half up, half down. You can also do like two little pieces in the front as well if you want to do half up, half down. You can also wear it to the side, which this was my preference. I really liked it off to the side. It just looked really full and really gorgeous. I love the curls. These are the details and how it looks with my lighting in my room. I'm also gonna get like a video of me going outside so that you guys can see the true color on this T30, because it is like almost like an ombre. So it starts off kind of like a darkish brown and it goes into like a lighter 30, and all the curls are the color 30. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you comment down below if you would try this color and what you think of this color. I'm loving it. Like, I needed to do something other than black, and this in the sunlight is just giving all the tea.